We will now work on our third skill task, edit cells contents. Move to Excel and open a blank workbook. By default, our cursor is in cell A1. Type in some data here, recam, and then press enter. And if I click on cell A1 again, you can see that this same text is visible, is displayed in the formula bar. So I can add data by inserting text in the formula bar as well. So let's click here after FabriCam and type incorporated and then press done. Now let's edit our data. Click on cell A1 and then in the formula bar double click this word incorporated. We will change it to INC dot and then press enter. Now in cell A2 click enter sales. Click on cell A2, you can see sales in the formula bar. Click, and when you click, your cursor is at the end of the word sales. From your keyboard, you can press home to go to the start of this word. And if you press end, you go to the end. And you can also use arrow keys to move one character to left or right. So let's add monthly at the start of this word sales and then press enter. In cell A3 write January, press enter. Again click on cell A3 and start writing February. And then press enter. You can see that the new entry has replaced the word January. You can also delete some data. Click on cell A3 and on your keyboard press delete, so the data will be deleted from the cell. And you can select the entire worksheet and delete everything by selecting this one. These are the row labels and these are the column labels. And on top of the row labels you have this area. If you click with your left mouse button, your entire worksheet is selected, and from your keyboard if you press delete, everything from the book will be deleted. So we don't need to save this file. You can close this file and don't save. If you want to do more exercises, so you can keep your Excel application open.